Viviana says, what is the best general running comps formula for 2021? So my favorite running comps formula is it's basically, it's weird to explain, but it's basically what is my cash buyer going to pay for the property? And that's it. So again, my formula, I'll do it for you guys behind here. So let me go pull up my calculator and let's start just calculating this deal. So let's say we have a $200,000 property. Okay. So oops, $200,000. So let's say it needs about 35,000 repairs. So we're going to minus $35,000 off of that. Now we have the property's worth basically 165,000. So it's worth 200,000. Needs $35,000 in repairs, which means it's probably worth in right now condition $165,000. Now you got to figure out what discount your cash buyer is willing to pay for that deal. Are they going to pay 10% off of market value, 20, 15? Most of your time it's going to be 15 if you're in a crazier state. Let's say you're in a bigger one, like let's say like Maricopa County or something, you're probably 10%. So 90% of that $165,000 will be $148,500. And that's a really good deal. So that means my cash buyer in this situation is probably going to pay me 100 and let's just play it safe, 145,000. Okay. That's what my cash buyer is going to pay on this deal. Now I know, okay, so my cash buyer is willing to pay $145,000. So I look at it as arbitrage. I have a $145,000 check here. Would you buy checks like that for a discount? Of course you will. So what I mean by that is, were you willing to pay $3 for a $5 bill? Yes, you are. So this is $145,000. Would you get that thing under contract for $140,000 and sell it for $145,000, then make $5,000? Of course you will. So that's how I figure it out. I offer 110. I get under contract for 110. Then I'll make what, 35,000 on that deal? Boom. Perfect. That is the best general running comps formula for 2021 for figuring out my offer. My formula for comps also is I literally just do square footage. I do the subdivision. I make sure the roofing and really the condition is generally okay. And I go by date, obviously. Everything past 3 months, I don't like to look at it too much. So that's what I do. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.